How to open an account on Bank of Montreal BMO. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Montreal BMO login or sign up. Now at the very top, you can see BMO website. Head over to it. It will land you on the official page. Tap on sign in at the top right corner of the screen and wait for a while for it to load. You can simply tap on confirm. After that, once again tap on sign in and then click on register now. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to open an account. First of all, select your account type and then enter your account number. Once you've entered, tap on continue. After that, you will have to enter your personal information and other details as well. Once you've entered all the information, tap on continue and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.